Yo, what is up, you guys? ZachAttacker7 here, and we are back with part 2 of this nice Cake Lovers Tasty Treats parkour. We're playing with X-Nate right now. Let's just go check on him. Yay, good job, X-Nate. Alright, we're gonna come down here. Level 6 is Candy Corn Mountains, which is one of my favorite pieces of candy. Like, no joke. I gave you a boost, MJ. I gave you a boost. Ah, no. Thank you. No, Nate got in my face. Alright, so this is part 2 of a Cake Lover's Tasty Treat parkour. This is for XNate360 right now. Oh crap, I just totally skipped that jump. You're in his face! Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Come on, Nate. Nate's almost there. Nate's almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nate. Come on. I just start punching thick in the middle of all it. Yay. Do, 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 do. Yo, I'm gonna troll him. Oh, Nate did it somehow. Yeah, you're supposed to jump over to here. Okay. Over to this. Over to that. And YOLO. Do you need swiftness? Do any of you guys need swiftness? Do, 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 do. Alright. Come on, guys. Yay. Alright, good job, Thick. Good job, Nate. Alright, we gotta, don't tell him. He's gotta find it. This is gonna be pretty funny. Dude, Thick, let's just stand right under the apple. Just stand under there. Everybody just stand right there. Even though the chest is right there, we gotta let Nate find it. Hey, Nate! Nate, where is it? Nate! Nate, over here! Oh my god, Nate! There you go! There you go! Good butt, good job! Alright, now he has to put it right here. Flick that lever, 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 lever. Oh my god, I can't even see crap without all your butts in my face. Ah. This is a big jump. Do, 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 do. All I see is this MJ guy in my face. Yeah. Oh no! Stop it! You wanna? Oh, okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Um. Yeah, but you can, but you shouldn't. But that's what I'm going to. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna do it legit. Nate just cheated. Nate's gonna hate this. The trapdoors. He's gonna hate this. He starts punching me. Alright, just let me go first. Just let him go first. Just to see what happens. Loser. Alright. Oh, we did? It's okay. He shall figure it out on his. Oh no! I'm just gonna like fly up here, just so it looks like I did it. Alright guys, so I hope you're liking this so far. Nate's having a flip out over this right now. I'm not doing this. Like, screw that. Get down there. I'm sorry. No, let's all jump right when. Let's go. Yeah, watch this. Come on, Nate. There he is! He sat on my face. Where's MJ? There he is. This is like a golden apple thing, even though this is so bad. This is like the last level, really. They're lemons. Alright, so guys, so I hope you like this. We are almost done the map. So, yeah, there will be more maps to come. You don't have swiftness? I have a buttload. Here, take these, MJ. Yeah. Oh, the Fusion Arts? Yeah, MJ, we made a build team called Fusion Arts MC. Did you see X Nate's Cake Lover Anniversary Hunger Games? Yeah, I built that. Swag. Come on, guys. Alright, so. Come on, Nate. Oh, 360. Oh, I just did. Alright, I guess he's doing it the legit way. Come on, Nate. And I guess this is. Oh god, that scared the crap out of me. Alright. Oh, we gotta do the minecart jumps. Screw you guys. Just let one person go at a time. I'm not like a master at doing these. What is wrong with me today? Oh, Nate got it somehow. No. wait till Nate comes over here to find the secret lever. Nate's having some trouble. Okay, that works. Didn't he already find this? Ooh, ooh. He found it because he has that swag. So this is the end? So yeah guys, that is the conclusion to this video. We hope you guys enjoyed. I'm ZachAttacker7 and so you guys, I will see you all next time.